99% of small manufacturing businesses start like this, a single machine running quietly in a small workshop or even at home. Because this is the best way to step into the business world. Start small, learn fast, and build something real. In this video, I'll show you 7 compact, room-size machines that can be installed almost anywhere to start a small business. Each one produces real products people use every day with simple setups that fit in a single room. And if you want more info about any of the machines, just comment "send URL" below and I'll share the links with you. So let's dive in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash for more ideas like this.
1. DTF Transfer Printer. If you've ever ordered a custom hoodie or sports jersey online, there's a good chance it was made using a DTF printer. This compact machine has become the backbone of small clothing brands, print-on-demand shops, and home-based apparel creators. Here's how it works. Instead of printing directly on fabric, the DTF printer prints your artwork onto a special PET film using pigment-based inks. You sprinkle adhesive powder on the wet print, cure it with gentle heat, then press it onto fabric with a simple heat press. The result is soft, stretchable, and long-lasting, with colors that stay bright even after dozens of washes. What makes this setup appealing is its flexibility. You can print on cotton, polyester, canvas, tote bags, and even denim without changing inks or screens. Many small entrepreneurs use it to produce limited edition designs, school uniforms, or local event merchandise. It fits easily on a desk and uses regular 110 or 220 volt power. The raw materials, ink, transfer film, and adhesive powder, are compact and easy to store. For creative people who enjoy design and fashion, a DTF printer can turn a small corner of their room into a real production studio. The average price for this machine ranges between $1,000 and $2,000, depending on model and supplier. Number 2. Desktop UV Printer. When most people think of printing, they imagine paper, but UV printing changes that completely. This compact desktop machine can print directly onto almost any flat surface: glass, metal, wood, acrylic, plastic, even silicone phone cases, and the result looks stunningly professional. Here's how it works. The printer sprays UV curable ink onto the surface, then instantly hardens it using ultraviolet light. That means no drying time, no smudging, in a finish that's glossy, durable, and waterproof. The prints can even have a raised texture that feels embossed. What makes this machine special is its range. You can personalize hundreds of products, from custom phone cases and power banks to wooden coasters, keychains, plaques, and promotional gifts for companies. Small studios use it to make branded merchandise, wedding souvenirs, or artistic home decor pieces. It plugs into a standard outlet, connects to your laptop, and fits easily on a work desk. You only need a bit of space for the printer, inks, and the blanks to print on. Because personalization is such a strong global trend, UV printing gives creative people a way to turn design ideas into physical products, all from one small corner of a room. A good quality UV printer averages between $1,200 and $2,500, with higher-end models offering larger print areas. 3. Desktop Juice Filling Machine. Now, let's shift to something entirely different: small batch beverage production. The desktop juice filling machine is designed for entrepreneurs who want to bottle their own drinks, natural juices, cold brewed coffee, flavored water, or herbal infusions. The process is simple. You prepare your liquid recipe in a sanitized container, set the machine's fill volume, place the bottles beneath the nozzles, and press start. A peristaltic or piston pump measures each portion accurately, ensuring every bottle is filled to the same level. It's clean, fast, and much more consistent than manual pouring. This kind of setup is perfect for a home kitchen or small pantry. It doesn't require industrial plumbing or compressed air, just power and counter space. The tubing and nozzles detach easily for washing, keeping hygiene simple. People use this system to package detox shots, honey lemon drinks, kombucha, and fruit blends for local markets or cafes. Others use it for small test batches before scaling up. Because it can handle both thin and thick liquids, it's versatile enough for juices, sauces, or cosmetic liquids. It's a realistic way to move from a kitchen recipe to a packaged product line, right from a home workshop, and it fits neatly on a single sturdy table. Compact juice fillers typically range from $600 to $1,200, depending on the number of nozzles and automation level. 4. Churros making machine. If you've ever tasted warm churros filled with chocolate or caramel, you know exactly why this machine is so interesting. The desktop churros encrusting machine turns simple dough into perfectly shaped filled churros, ready for frying or baking, and it's compact enough to fit on a counter. The process starts with your dough mixture placed in one hopper and your filling, chocolate, dulce de leche, jam, or cream, in another. When you start the machine, it extrudes the dough while injecting the filling inside, forming long, uniform churros that you can cut to any length. No hand piping, no mess, and every piece looks identical. Small dessert shops and home-based bakeries use it to make frozen churros, festival snacks, or ready-to-fry batches sold to cafes. With consistent shapes and adjustable sizes, it helps a one-person kitchen match the look of big brand products. All you need is a mixer for dough preparation, this tabletop unit, and a fryer or oven for finishing. Once cooled, the churros can be rolled in sugar, packed in paper sleeves, or sealed in frozen bags. For anyone who loves cooking and wants a real fun-to-run food business, this little machine brings bakery-level precision to a small home space. Small encrusting churros machines are usually priced between $900 and $1,800 based on capacity and filling options. Number 5. Water Sachet Filling Machine. This machine focuses on compact, hygienic packaging of drinking water into sealed pouches. The plastic drinking sachet water filling machine forms, fills, and heat seals sachets in one continuous motion, creating portable packs commonly seen at events, schools, and job sites. Here's how it works. A roll of food-grade LDPE film feeds into the machine where it's formed into a tube, edge-sealed, and sterilized contact surfaces. A volumetric pump dispenses a preset amount of purified water, often 200 to 500 milliliters, into each pouch before the top seal closes and cuts the sachet free. Many units support inline date coding for batch traceability. What you need around it? A basic water treatment path, sediment and carbon filtration, then UV/RO based on your local source, stainless prep tables, and clean storage for film rolls and finished packs. The footprint fits a small room with access to a water inlet and drain. Use cases are clear. On-the-go hydration from markets and kiosks, school canteens, community events, construction sites, and relief efforts. Some makers add flavored electrolyte variants for sports or hot weather sales. Demand stays steady wherever bottled water is popular, but consumers want a lighter, single-serve option. With good sanitation SOPs and correct permits, a single operator can run a tidy, consistent sachet line from home. These units generally cost around $1,800 to $3,000, depending on output speed and sealing technology. 6. Rotary Paste Filling Machine. Finally, let's look at a compact unit that serves countless product categories. The double-head rotary paste filling machine. Think of it as a precision tool for packaging thick or semi-liquid products, such as creams, sauces, gels, or lotions. Each filling head uses a piston system to draw a set amount of product and dispense it cleanly into jars, bottles, or pouches. Because both heads operate together,
You can fill 2 containers at once, doubling speed without taking more space. The rotary table keeps bottles moving in sequence, ensuring accuracy and hygiene. This type of filler is used by small cosmetic brands for creams, scrubs, and serums, by food artisans for honey, peanut butter, or condiments, and by chemical suppliers for adhesives or cleaning gels. The key advantage is control. Every container is filled exactly the same with almost no spillage. The machine fits comfortably on a sturdy table, runs on standard power, and can be cleaned quickly between batches. Pair it with the simple labeler, and you've got a full packaging line within arm's reach. It's a professional-grade tool scaled down for home or studio use, ideal for makers who want their packaging to look as polished as their product recipes. Rotary paste fillers average about $2,000 to $5,000, with price varying by tank volume and construction quality. 7. Mini embroidery machine. If you enjoy creativity and design, this small machine turns fabric into art. The mini embroidery machine brings professional stitching technology to a desktop, allowing anyone to customize clothing, caps, tote bags, or patches with intricate designs. It works just like the larger commercial models, but in a compact, easy-to-use form. You load your digital design through a USB drive or built-in touchscreen, hoop the fabric, and let the machine stitch automatically. Each thread change and color layer is precise, giving even small designs a clean, factory-level finish. It's perfect for starting a personalized gift brand or a small apparel customization studio. People use it to add names on uniforms, monograms on towels, or logos on small runs of merchandise. With minimal space and power, it can run comfortably on a table beside your laptop. Raw materials are simple: embroidery thread, backing stabilizer, and blank textiles. Maintenance is easy, and the creative potential is endless. For makers who love detail and design, the mini embroidery machine transforms a quiet home corner into a creative workshop, stitching the bridge between art and business, one thread at a time. Entry-level embroidery machines start at around $700 and can reach up to $1,500 depending on brand and hoop size. Finally, these 7 machines show how easy it is to turn a single room into a real workshop that makes something people actually use. If any of them caught your attention and you'd like more info, just comment "send URL" below and I'll share the machine links with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Business Dash for more real-world machine ideas. See you in the next video.